Today we talk about how can you disable allergic to milk on your Lifesum app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So sorry, I'm go back. So you click in this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. And all you have to do, just click here on the three units here. So in preferences, click on it, and you come to this list here. So then you come here to allergic to milk. Just click in this sign or this color. So the like you see color, it's gone. That's mean allergic to milk. Disable with us now. Be done. Click here on save. So then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.